Starting with reptiles. Thorny devil. It looks more like a walking cactus than a lizard. Their conical spines provide defense against predators but also channel water right to the lizard's mouth in a feat of biological engineering that still amazes scientists. Chameleon. Recognized as masters of disguise for their incredible color-changing abilities. It used their colors to communicate, to camouflage themselves from predators and also to hunt. Each eye can pivot and focus independently, with a 360-degree vision, allowing to watch two things at once. Bearded dragon. Native to Australia, this reptile earns its name from the beard around its neck. The frill expands when the creature feels threatened or when it's courting. This dragon uses a friendly hand wave to show submission or acknowledge others of its kind. Tokay gecko. Meet the vibrant gecko from Southeast Asia. These geckos are more than just their beautiful spots. They're also known for their strong jaws and feisty personality. Green basilisk. Sometimes referred to as the Jesus Christ lizard. It runs on water surfaces using only its hind legs. Wonderful insects. Rhinoceros beetle. These beetles are real-life Superman, capable of lifting up to 850 times their own weight. These horns are used in battles against other males for territory or mates. Stick insect. It resembles a twig, and when the wind blows, they sway back and forth, mimicking a real twig moved by the breeze. Some even have the ability to regenerate lost limbs. Leaf insect. These ones bear a striking resemblance to a leaf, with veins and spots mimicking the natural decay. Flower mantis. It perfectly imitates a flower to hunt its prey. Once a potential meal gets close, thinking it has found a tasty blossom, the mantis strikes. Orchid mantis. This mantis isn't just named after the orchid flower, it impersonates one. With legs that look like flower petals, they attract unsuspecting insects. Awesome arachnids. Jumping spider. Unlike many spiders, jumping spiders don't rely on webs to catch their prey. Instead, they use their incredible jumping skills, which can be up to 50 times their own body length. Plus, they have one of the best visions among arthropods, making them exceptional hunters. Peacock spider. They're celebrated for their elaborate courtship dances, where male spiders spread their flaps like a peacock's tail and dance to attract females. Spiny orb weaver. This unique spider doesn't just spin a web, it spins a masterpiece. Its web, complete with a decorative zigzag pattern in the center, is as beautiful as it is deadly to its prey. The spines on its abdomen can protect it from becoming someone else's lunch. Fishes. Frogfish. This unusual-looking fish blends in perfectly with its coral and seaweed surroundings. Their bizarre, leg-like fins serve as their primary mode of locomotion in lieu of swimming. Their mouth can expand to 12 times its resting size, allowing them to consume prey as big as themselves. Giant moray. This eel-like creature is the largest of its kind, reaching lengths of up to 10 feet. It boasts a second set of jaws located in its throat, called pharyngeal jaws, which extend forward to grasp and pull in prey once it's been seized. Demon stinger, also known as the spotted stingfish or stonefish. This fish is not just incredibly bizarre looking, but also one of the most venomous fish in the world, as we've seen before, in our other videos. It's a master of camouflage, lurking on the seafloor and blending in with its surroundings until an unsuspecting victim strays too close. Seahorse. Its horse-like head, prehensile tail, and unique mode of swimming are fascinating, but the real curiosity comes during breeding. It's the male seahorse that carries and gives birth to the babies. Leafy sea dragon. This relative of the seahorse takes camouflage to a whole new level. These leaf-like appendages provide excellent camouflage among the seaweed and kelp formations where they live. Rainbow fish. Their unique feature lies in their scales, which contain cells called iridophores that reflect light to produce dazzling arrays of colors. They are also known for their peaceful, community-oriented nature. Glassfish. A living X-ray. This translucent fish allows us to peek at its internal organs and skeleton without dissection. It's as if Mother Nature herself got tired of secrets and decided to create a see-through creature. Moving on to mammals. Proboscis monkey. Larger noses are more attractive to females and can even amplify their calls. Their bellies are also fascinating. They're like living fermentation tanks, turning unripe fruit and tough leaves into a digestible meal. Saiga antelope. They have an unusually large and flexible nose. It's not only used to filter out dust during Mongolia's dry summers, but also warms up the cold winter air before it reaches the lungs. Sun bear. The sun bears is the smallest of the bear family and resembles a dog. But its most striking feature is the golden or white patch on its chest, said to resemble the rising sun. With their extraordinarily long tongues that extend to 10 inches and large paws with sharp claws, they're exceptional at extracting honey from beehives, earning them the nickname, honey bear. Tapir, an odd-looking creature that almost looks like a fusion of a pig and an elephant. Known for its distinctive prehensile snout, it uses this flexible and mobile nose as an extended hand to grab leaves and fruits from trees, and even to snorkel while swimming. Pangolin. The world's only scaly mammal are solitary creatures, covered from head to tail with layers of tough, overlapping scales made from keratin, the same material found in our hair and nails. Amazingly, when threatened, they roll into a near impenetrable ball, with their sharp-edged scales providing an excellent defense. Tarsier. This tiny primate can fit in the palm of your hand, but it's got some impressive traits. The tarsier has enormous eyes relative to its body size, so large that they can't move in their sockets. They also have extremely long fingers and toes, with an elongated tarsus bone, from which they get their name. These adaptations make them fantastic nocturnal hunters, able to snatch up insects, birds, and even snakes from the air. Fossa. This carnivore is like a combination of a cat, a dog, and a mongoose. With retractable claws and flexible ankles that can rotate 180 degrees, the fossa is an adept tree climber and a fearsome hunter. It's the largest predator on the island of Madagascar, and lemurs need to be on constant alert to avoid becoming its next meal. Now featuring amphibians. Axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish. However, this charming creature is not a fish, but a salamander. Sporting fringed gills on the sides of its head and a wide, endearing smile, the axolotl is a remarkable creature that retains its juvenile features its entire life. It even has the ability to regenerate its limbs, spine, heart, and even part of its brain. Poison dart frog. Displaying a rainbow of vibrant colors, they are a warning to predators of the lethal toxin they carry in their skin. Indigenous tribes have used this poison for centuries to tip their blowgun darts. Interestingly, when raised in captivity without their specific diet from the wild, they don't develop the poison. Lemur leaf frog, with an unusual color shift from green in the day to a reddish-brown at night. And guess what? Their babies have it too. The young ones are born reddish-brown and become greener as they mature. Beautiful birds. Shoebill stork. With its massive shoe-shaped bill, this bird is a standout. But did you know that it uses this big, powerful bill as a weapon to catch and kill prey? They can snap it shut with surprising speed and strength, catching everything from fish to baby crocodiles. Andean cock of the rock. Renowned for its bright orange plumage and crescent-shaped crest, this bird seems to have jumped right out of a fantasy book. Males perform elaborate mating dances that are a spectacle in themselves. Secretary bird. With long legs, a powerful beak, and distinctive black crest feathers that resemble quill pens tucked behind an ear, they seem to have a stately, secretary-like appearance. These birds are formidable snake hunters, using their powerful legs to deliver fatal kicks to their prey. Hoopoe. With their black, white, and pinkish-brown coloration and a distinctive crown of feathers, they are unmistakable. They are named after their soft, low, hoopoe call, which you might be lucky to hear in the early morning. Peacock. Our journey couldn't miss the peacock, an iconic bird recognized worldwide. With their expansive, ornate tail feathers that they can fan out in a spectacular display of colors and patterns, they are an epitome of grandeur. But did you know that only the males have this magnificent tail, while females, known as peahens, are more modestly feathered? Victoria crowned pigeon. A bird that redefines what it means to be a pigeon. It's the largest pigeon species in the world, and its beautiful crest of lace-like blue feathers gives it a royal appearance. But what's even more impressive? They pair for life and share the duties of incubating and caring for their young. Hornbill. These birds are known for their large, distinct bill, which is surprisingly light due to its hollow structure. But that's not the only thing that's fascinating about them. Did you know the female seals herself inside a tree hole to lay and incubate eggs? The male diligently delivers food to his sealed mate through a small opening. Mind-blowing invertebrates. Nudibranchs. Despite being a type of sea slug, they come in various forms, vibrant colors, and intricate patterns. Did you know that some nudibranchs can incorporate the stinging cells from their prey into their own body for protection? Christmas tree worms. Their distinctive spiraling plumes resembling the branches of a Christmas tree are used for feeding and respiration. These worms live in coral reefs and are extremely sensitive to disturbances. Just a shadow or slight change in water temperature can make them retract into their burrow. Hermit crab. These creatures carry their homes on their back. They live in discarded shells, upgrading as they grow, and the right fit can be a matter of life and death. While it may seem a bit nomadic, this lifestyle allows them to retreat at the first sign of danger. Portuguese man-o'-war. Despite looking like a jellyfish, it's actually a siphonophore, a colony of individual organisms working together. This creature can pack a powerful sting, with tentacles that can extend up to 30 feet. Basket star. An extraordinary creature, it possesses an intricate system of branching arms that it uses to ensnare plankton and small fish. Its body can form an elaborate, mesh-like trap, hence the name. Mantis shrimp. Known as the boxers of the sea, they possess one of the fastest and most powerful punches in nature, capable of breaking glass aquarium walls. But their most remarkable feature is their eyes. Mantis shrimps can see a spectrum of colors invisible to humans, giving them one of the most complex visual systems known to science. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.